Alright, we're going to clean the intake ports. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup in there. So we basically want to go from this to that right there. And for that, we're just going to use some good old oven and grill cleaner and a toothbrush. And it's going to be fast, like you don't have to let it sit on the head for an extended period of time. As soon as you put on the toothbrush, you can start scrubbing away and it eats it up right away. So let's kind of get a look at how we go about doing that. Alright, we just spray a little bit on the toothbrush, right on the bristles. And we just go right in there and you just start let's give that a rub. As you can see, it's already coming up. I'm just going to keep going and clean all of that out. Normally rub the toothbrush to take some of that carbon off of it. Look at that. Spray again. And just like that, it's like brushing your teeth, but you're doing it to the intake port. Now, this is just a regular manual toothbrush. Nothing special. Rub that out again. We're just going to keep going until we get it as clean as we would like. Get a real close up of it. So that's the top. See all that carbon build up in there, and that's just 2 passes with the toothbrush. So if you keep going, you get it all the way clean. Easy, simple DIY. Clean the carbon out of this is an aluminum head also, so that's why we're just brushing it as soon as we put the oven cleaner on there. We're not letting it sit for an extended period of time, because that could potentially eat away at the heads, and we don't want that. So we're just going to get this all cleaned up, and that's the simple way to do it. Get rid of carbon in your intake ports on your cylinder head.